Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing this afternoon. Which stocks are buzzing, which stocks are tanking in trade. So it seems like the benchmark indices seem to be trading off the day's high, but still trading in the green nonetheless. Nifty and Sensex up almost 0.5% in trade. Sensex trading around the 49,100 levels, while Nifty trading around nearing the 14,800 levels as well. So let's keep an eye out on the markets as well as the benchmark indices. Nifty mid-cap seems to be underperforming a bit of the benchmark indices, while small cap seems to be doing quite well in the markets. Now overall, what is doing well in the markets? PSU Bank IT stocks drag, while Tata Steel continues to be one of the most active stocks in trade. Metal indices seems to have risen more than 1% in trade today as well, and that has surely seen a good rally coming in there as well. Now today, other than that, we have Nifty Media also in the Nifty sector wise. Nifty Metals, Medias and Realty, which have been trading well, all are up more than 1%. Metals is up actually 3% if you go to see Nifty Metals, while PSU Banks and IT, like I mentioned, seem to be dragging in trade. Other than that, let's look at the individual stocks that have been in focus today. So starting with SBI Life, the stock is up as much as 3% in trade after the company has seen an about 5 million share of change of hands on NSE this morning. And Economic Times also reported that the affiliate Carlyle Asia Partner is planning to sell around 3.5% stake in the company. So let's surely that's why we're seeing that SBI Life is buzzing in trade. Now other than that, we do have a whole host of earnings which did come out, and the stock's buzzing on the back of their earnings. Praj Industries stock is up as much as 7.8% in trade after a robust set of numbers coming in from the company, where the Q4 net profits have more than doubled, and even the revenues have jumped by 91% on a year-on-year basis. Moving forward, Raymond, another stock which has been buzzing on the back of its earnings, up as much as 45% in trade on the upbeat set of numbers, but the company has swinged into a profit this time of 56 crores versus a loss last year of around 68 crores. So surely keeping the stock in focus today. Revenues are also risen by 6.8%. BlueStar up as much as 2.5% in trade after a solid set of numbers, where the company's net profits have surged to around 67.9 crores versus 8 crores last year. So year on year, we are seeing a very good growth in the profits, as well as the revenues have risen by 24%. Adani Transmission stock up 4% after higher quarterly profits, where the Q4 profits have doubled during this period and have come in at around 238 crores versus 94.3 crores on a year-on-year basis, mainly driven by the regulatory deferral account as well. So, but a good set of numbers. Profit growth was quite robust, so that is why Adani Transmission also seeing a good up move coming in the stock. Lastly, we do have among the losers, we have Century Textiles, which is down as much as 1.5% after the quarterly loss, as the company has swinged into a net loss versus a net profit last year, and this mainly due to the higher expenses on a year-on-year basis that we've seen. Other than that, we do have Procter & Gamble Health, which is in focus. The stock has dropped as much as 5% in trade after a weak set of numbers, where the company's profits have slumped by 66%. So these are the stocks that have been moving this afternoon, only on the back of their earnings.